Welcome back. Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here, and I'm coming back to you with another video. Another video. Abundance, and how to work with abundance. To be exact, more is less. Let's see. So the idea is that I would advise that you eradicate the word more from your dictionary as much as possible. Because the moment you want more of something, you want to be stronger, you want to be bigger, you want to be healthier, you want to be, more abundant, you want to have more money, you want more of anything. What you're saying to yourself is that you are not enough. What you're saying to yourself is that you're within the space of lack. Because by saying that you want more of something, you maybe are already acknowledging the fact that you have something, but you're saying that whatever amount you do have is not sufficient in itself, and therefore you must be striving. So these videos that I'm making for now, all of them, are little guides here and there to help you master duality, and within duality certain rules and regulations apply until you move beyond it. And there are certain ways of doing things, and so when you start using the language that you want more, you continuously affirm to yourself that whatever you have is not enough, and whatever you have needs to be different than what it is. But life is what it is, and it isn't anything else. And if you have something, that means that is the amount that you're supposed to have within the present moment, because everything is always infinitely provided for you. But you have to recognize that which has been already provided for you in order to multiply it. And so more equals less. Every time you say more means that you actually say I do not have, and by saying I do not have, you're saying to yourself I'm in lack, and the more you say I'm in lack, then the less you have, of course. I just did a few loops around this idea because it's a very simple concept, but sometimes it's hard to grasp for some people. So just enjoy that which you have, and then recognize that which you have, and from the space of seeing that which you have, don't strive for wanting more of it, but be appreciative of that which already exists. Simple idea, simple thing. I think I got up a little too early today, but I like making videos early in the morning. More equals less, my friend. It's a simple thing. That's all for today. I wish you an absolutely wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Consider subscribing, maybe leave a like, tell me what other topics you'd like me to cover, and until next one, bye.